Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 proofs that Earth is a globe. Some thought the Earth was flat, a disk floating in an endless sea. From ancient observations to modern technology, let's explore the undeniable evidence. Picture this, you're at the beach watching a ship sail into the distance. What disappears first? The hull, right? It's the curvature of the Earth. The ancient Greeks noticed this too. Aristotle pointed out that if the Earth were flat, the whole ship would just get smaller and smaller as it sailed away. Ever heard of Polaris, the North Star? It's a beacon in the night sky, but only if you're in the northern hemisphere. Go down south to Australia, and you'll see a whole different set of stars, like the Southern Cross. This isn't random, folks. It's because of the Earth's curve. As the Earth rotates, it's like you're walking around a giant beach ball, seeing different parts of the sky globe. A lunar eclipse, it's a celestial ballet. The Earth moves between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the lunar surface. Now here's the mind-blowing part. That shadow is always round. Aristotle figured this out. Only a sphere casts a circular shadow from any angle. If the Earth were a flat disk, sometimes the shadow would be stretched out, like an ellipse. In 1522, Ferdinand Magellan's crew did something incredible. They sailed all the way around the world. They didn't fall off the edge, they didn't encounter a giant ice wall. They simply kept sailing west, and eventually, they ended up right back where they started. Think about modern air travel. You can fly from Sydney to Santiago, a route that only makes sense on a globe. Gravity, that force that keeps our feet on the ground, is a bit of a tattletale when it comes to Earth's shape. Gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. That means down is always under your feet, whether you're in Canada, Australia, or Ecuador. On a flat Earth, gravity would get weird. It would pull everything towards the center of the disk, meaning the further out you went, the more sideways gravity would feel. Ever called someone on the other side of the world? When it's noon in London, it's midnight in Auckland, New Zealand. Why? Because the Earth is a spinning globe. As the Earth rotates, different parts face the sun. This creates day and night cycles all over the planet. On a flat Earth, with the sun hovering overhead like a spotlight, everyone would experience day and night at the same time. We've sent satellites into space, astronauts to the moon, even high-altitude balloons to the edge of our atmosphere. And you know what they all show? A curved horizon. Every single unedited image from NASA, every SpaceX launch, every live stream from the International Space Station, all of them show the curvature of our planet. Seeing is believing. Hurricanes, those swirling storms of wind and rain, they hold a secret about Earth's shape. In the northern hemisphere, they spin counterclockwise. In the southern hemisphere, clockwise. This isn't random, it's the Coriolis effect in action. On a flat, non-rotating Earth, the Coriolis effect wouldn't exist, and hurricanes wouldn't have their characteristic spin. You don't need a rocket ship to see the curvature of the Earth. Hop on a commercial flight, and at around 35,000 feet, you'll start to notice the horizon curving ever so slightly. Mountain climbers who've scaled Mount Everest, the tallest point on Earth, they've witnessed it too. The curve they see matches the math for a sphere with Earth's radius, debunking the whole camera distortion argument. Let's travel back in time to 240 BC. A Greek scholar named Eratosthenes noticed something peculiar. In the city of Syene, on the summer solstice, Styx cast no shadow at noon. But in Alexandria, about 500 miles north, Styx did cast a shadow. Eratosthenes used this difference in shadow length to calculate the circumference of the Earth, accurate to within 10%. These proofs aren't just academic, they're the foundation of modern life. From GPS satellites to time zones, our daily lives rely on the globe model. Science is for everyone. Go out there, observe the world around you, ask questions, and never stop exploring. So next time someone says flat Earth, smile and ask, have you ever called someone on the other side of the world? Thanks for watching and keep exploring the wonders of our globe.